Oh yes, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm walking in some neighborhood here, but I'm not gonna tell you the name right now, okay? Just keep watching and you'll find out, okay? Yep. It's a quiet place, as you can see. I'm heading down, okay? Yep, that's where I'm heading to. This place, actually, I'm gonna give you a hint. This place is located in Bugolobi, okay? But anyway, let me just tell you. Right now, at, should I tell you? I'm at Solent Avenue. Yeah, that's where I am right now. And I'm taking a walk. Yup, the place is so quiet and I love it here, man. Yup, you see the sun, it's shining on me. Yup, so let's continue walking and I hope you get a better experience after watching this. I'm okay. How are you? Yeah, this house was deserted. Oh. Such houses used to be, let me turn the camera and I tell you this. I was saying, such houses used to be, you know, a big deal in the 80s, 90s, okay? But and I remember it's the ministers who used to, you know, sleep in such houses by then, according to what they told me, because, you know, I follow a lot of history and I did history in my A level, so I know a lot of stuff. You see, all these are deserted houses. Let me show you. Those are all deserted houses, abandoned ones to be more specific. And man, look at the houses this side, bro. So I was saying this place is Solent Avenue, so I'm taking a walk around this place, Solent Avenue. I want you guys to walk with me as I show you around. It's been a while since I last visited this place. It's been like 8 years. Yeah, I think 8 years since I last came this side. So I'm just gonna take a walk and, you know, show you around. Yeah, that's it. Those are apartments right there. They are called Neptune Avenue Apartments. I hope you guys are enjoying the walk. Now this place you see right here, you know, brings back some memories. This used to be our boxing training ground. This place, we used to come and, you know, practice boxing from here with, you know, some friends of mine. We were six. We, you know, I had friends like Apiku, Mujuzi, you know, and others. So we used to come here and practice from here. Sometimes, you know, we would practice in the morning, and you know, another time in the evening. So it used to depend on the schedule, okay? But you know, as I was passing here, that's when I remembered, wow, so many memories have been brought back right now. And I was tough during those days, man. About 8 years or 9 years ago, yeah, I used to come and train from here with friends. Yeah, it was a nice experience, to be more specific, and I don't regret. Yep. So I don't know where my friends are right now, but all I know, they are doing okay. So I honestly don't remember, you know, where my friends are staying at right now, because it's been quite some time. When we got done with high school, we, you know, took different paths. So I don't know, I don't have much information about all of them apart from like 2 friends of mine. Yep. But you know, this place has brought back some good memories. Boxing. You know, we used to have that stuff of being bullied at school. If you didn't know boxing, they would, you know, bully you. So everyone had to learn how to, you know, practice boxing. At least you have a skill in you. Okay? Yeah. That's it. Man, I like the way, you know, I mean the tree lining on the fence. Wow, it really brings out the beauty, right? Look at this, man. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed walking around with me around this beautiful place. It's a quiet neighborhood. Yep, Solent Avenue. Solent Avenue. Yep, it's a beautiful place, and I'm finalizing my video right now, as you see. Anyway, if you're still new, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao.